Stop solving problems the hard way. Introducing the BAB framework. Before, after, bridge. Whether you're chasing runaway projects, juggling supply chain chaos, or buried in stale sales reports, this method takes you from chaos to clarity in minutes. Project management. How does the BAB framework actually work in project management? Try these sample prompts. Before, our project is plagued by scope creep, leading to missed deadlines and budget overruns. After, we want to realign the project schedule and define the scope so the team can stick to deadlines and remain within budget. Bridge. Propose a scope management plan detailing how we can prevent or control changes, reallocate resources, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. Want to see the BAB method in action? Join Dr. Hala EL Ouarrak for a 4-hour virtual workshop on AI and BPR applications. Sign up now at hlearn.ca.